Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you are new here, today it's gonna be kind of a Mod Podge of a vlog, but I'm gonna share a couple different things with you, starting with my grocery haul for the week, healthy grocery haul, simple meals. Mostly want simple this week. I mean, every week I want simple, but I want like extra simple this week. And I was a little unprepared. Otherwise I should have meal prepped on Sunday. But we had a long weekend, went to a wedding, we had a great time, trying to get myself together on this Monday. Now, I did sign up for Hotworx last week. I went a couple days last week, and I went today, which is Monday. I did two, actually, of the 15-minute classes. If you're unfamiliar with Hotworx, it's essentially you work out in a sauna. So there's different rooms, up to 3 people per room. You can sign up for the class. Usually you're alone, at least in my experience. And you're working out, and it's hot, and it's hard. It is such a good sweat, though, and it's really fun. Morgan signed up with me, so we still have some classes we're wanting to try, but this vlog is gonna be some workouts, easy meals for the week, maybe some dancing from Morgan if y'all can see him behind the camera, my healthy grocery haul, and just kind of life lately, trying to get on track, trying to get the hottest body before I turn 30, which is coming so soon. So without further ado, let's jump into the grocery haul. All right, quick grocery haul for the week. Starting out with some frozen rice. Just love to have this on hand. This week we'll probably use it for some burrito bowls. I also picked up my favorite breakfast sandwich. It's the Sandwich Bros egg white and turkey sausage. These are so good. Pretty good macros, 150 calories, 11 grams of protein. These I think are new, or at least they're new at my store, and I thought Morgan will love these. I'll probably try them too. 190 calories, 10 grams of protein, spicy chicken melts. Yes, please. So I got those. Couple dinners that we're gonna have this week, just keeping it super simple. So I got some original chicken sausage, also some andouille sausage to go with that, some potatoes, and I also have some veggies in the pantry or the freezer, but I picked up just the roasted garlic potatoes and the home style, just easy. Got some chips to go with our burrito bowls, also some cheese for Morgan's burrito bowl. And for those this week, we're using the fajita seasoned chicken breast. It's already ready to go. So I might throw that in the crock pot tomorrow, or maybe I'll bake it when I get home. I'm not sure. Or I guess we could bake it tonight. We'll see. Got some tortillas in case we want to do tacos. They were on a 2-for-5 deal, so I picked up 2. Got Morgan's favorite salsa, the HEB. Oh, medium. Should have got the hot. That's okay. And then I got my Julio's. The hot one is really not that hot. So I'm obsessed with this one in the jar, not the one in the refrigerated section, which is also good, but this is my current obsession. Then I got some black beans, corn, and some refried black beans, which I thought would be good. Kind of switch up the bowls as the week goes on. Roma tomatoes, again, for the taco bowls. Romaine lettuce for the taco bowls. Then I'm going to do some snack boxes to take with me to work with pita crackers, roasted red pepper hummus, my favorite. Also some carrot sticks. I got some sliced apples. Those were on sale. And then kiwis, which are like 50 cents a piece. And I love that. And then boring, I had to get some coffee filters. So that is the haul for the week. All right, y'all, here is dinner. This took all of like maybe 15 minutes. We've got some chicken sausage. We actually did a mix of the regular and the andouille. I heated up just some canned carrots. I thought I had green beans, but we're out, which is fine. I love these carrots. These remind me of my childhood. And then I have some of the potatoes. 15 minutes, done, super easy. You can also like pre-cook everything and just heat it up. This is a really simple meal. All right, y'all, at work, I heated up one of these frozen breakfast pitas. These are by the Sandwich Bros, and I also had my protein iced coffee. These sandwiches, I believe, are 150 calories and 11 grams of protein, and they're just perfect for me. Then for lunch, again, not very prepared, but I did have this on hand, so that worked out good. The little snack tray with the sparkling water. These are great, 380 calories. I can't remember the protein. I want to say it's like 11 to 15 grams-ish. Then I pretty much immediately went into my snack box because that wasn't really a proper lunch, and this was delicious. I made this all week long. Hey y'all, so I'm headed, leaving work right now and headed to Hotworx. Morgan's gonna meet me there today. Okay, first thing, I'm obsessed with this shirt. I bought one that my friend told me about, or like I bought this because my friend told me about it in brown, was the first color I bought. And then after my first Hotworx appointment, I guess, or whatever class. In it, I said, I want to wear that every single class. So I bought 3 more. They're from Amazon. I'll link them for you. The black one won't be here till I think next week. But this is the green color. I'm obsessed with it. It is cropped. It's like, you see how long it is? But my leggings come up. So there's really no midriff showing, which I appreciate. And I just love it. It's so comfortable. It's breathable. And if you have time, if you're small up top like I am, in the girls area, it's padded. You don't have to wear a bra. And I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. So we're headed to Hotworx. Me and Morgan are doing 2 classes. I did 2 classes yesterday of the 15 minutes. We're gonna do 2 more today, and tomorrow we're doing Pilates, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, I'll try to get some footage in the class. I know a lot of people just from my Instagram had a lot of questions about Hotworx, so I'll try to like at least show you what's going on. I'm thinking and hoping, I haven't looked at my app, but I'm thinking me and Morgan might be the only ones in our classes, especially the rowing, because I've never seen anyone do the rowing in the like 4 days that I've been there around the same time. No one's ever doing the rowing. I don't think anyone likes the rowing, so I'm a little bit scared. But it's supposed to be really hard, really intense, and we're gonna do that one first. We're gonna follow it up with Hot Blast, which is my favorite so far. You're on like a bike thing, but it has arms like an elliptical. And I like the instructor, I like the class. I feel like I can push myself. And it's like up to me to push myself further versus it just being so freaking hard that I can't do it, which is how I feel in the cycling. I'm like, this is so freaking hard. Standing on those bikes, I hate it. I literally can only do it once or twice per class. Like my body is just like, no, literally no, we're not doing it. So I'll let you guys know how it goes, try to get some footage while I'm in there. Morgan is at home today, and he threw in the fajita chicken that y'all saw in the grocery haul. He threw that in the crock pot, and tonight we're gonna make either like kind of eater's choice. We could do tacos, burrito bowls, or nachos. I'm either gonna do taco or a bowl. I'm not sure which, so it'll just depend on what I'm feeling after. So I'll let you guys know, but let's get our workout on. Goodbye for today, Hotworx. Another workout in the books. We're dying. Oh, all right, y'all. On the way home, I had to cool off in the car for a second. Morgan's right in front of me, and we are chugging to the house so that we can eat. Morgan threw the chicken in the crock pot earlier today, and we're gonna have, I think I'm gonna do a bowl. I don't know if he's gonna do a bowl also. He probably will. But we've got all the fixins, so I'll show y'all that. I did try to get a little bit of footage, so I hope that like got the gist apart, but I don't know if you're allowed to film in there, so I was just trying to get it quickly. But as you can see, each class has their own little sauna. There's 3 people, up to 3 people in each class. You can see whenever you sign up for the class if anyone else has booked it. I was talking to a girl on Instagram who like didn't really want to work out in front of people, and so my advice to her, I was like, if you try a class and you really like it, I would recommend just waiting until like the time you want to work out, show up, and then see what's empty, because there's always rooms empty. At least at mine, multiple rooms are empty every single time. So today me and Morgan did both classes, just the 2 of us. I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know what's happening. I guess the sun's just killing. Okay, there we go. But yeah, it was just us in both classes today. There was actually a 3rd signed up, but they didn't show up, or maybe they saw the 2 of us and they didn't want to be in one with us. I don't really know. But it was just the 2 of us. So it was great. The rowing one, we started with that. Oh my God. Hard. So freaking hard. I thought it was like equal arms and legs. You use your legs, but your legs don't get tired. Your arms, oh my God. Even Morgan was like, I don't know how you're doing this. Like, this is so hard. And you can't like control the tension. So everyone's is the same. And he was like, I literally don't know how you're doing this. I was like, I'm literally not doing it. Like, I keep stopping. It's so hard. But it was such a good workout. And then we took a 15-minute like break or whatever, did a little bit of dumbbell workout, and then did the hot blast, which is the one that I showed y'all. It's like a bike with the arms, and you do different arms, and you mess with the tension a lot. And I really like that class. I feel like I can push myself when I feel good, and I can ease back when I just need to get through the next minute type of thing. So I like to end with that one. I'm a big fan. So loved it. Already feels so freaking good. We're doing Pilates tomorrow, which I'm excited about. I haven't done a Pilates yet, or any of the like isometric or whatever. Is that what it isogenic? I don't know. I don't know what the word is. Something, not the ones with the machines, basically. The 45-minute classes. We haven't done any yet. So tomorrow will be our first one, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm going to go home, make dinner. I will share that with y'all. You saw my random lunch. I thought I was going to go out to eat with my dad today, and then he had to do something last minute. I just so happened to have that little snack tray. So I ate that for like lunch, and then pretty much immediately after I ate my little snack box, and it was perfect. So delicious. Ate every bite. Actually, that reminds me, I forgot to bring my Tupperware home. Dang it. So I'll have to pack another one for tomorrow. But yeah, I loved it. It was so good. I also need to pack a lunch for tomorrow because my dad's also has lunch plans. And I'll probably bring maybe a couple tortillas with some chicken and like lettuce, and just do like some little tacos. Or I could do another burrito bowl. There's all sorts of options, but I will be packing a lunch for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, the chicken is done. I shredded it up. I know it looks like it doesn't have seasoning, but it comes like pre-marinated and seasoned, and it is delicious. It has so much flavor. So that is done cooking. We did 4 hours on low. And then I'm just heating up some black beans over here, and I just drained some corn, and I think I'm just gonna dump it in here with the black beans because I'm too lazy to do 2 pots tonight. And we both mix our bowls in the end anyways, so I think it's fine. Oh, whoops, lost a few. So I'm going to do it this way, and I'm sorry if y'all think that's weird, but it's what we're doing tonight. So I'm just going to heat this up, and once that is done, we are ready to assemble our little burrito bowls. All right, rice is in the microwave. Corn and black beans are going. I'm gonna add some romaine lettuce, Roma tomato. Love this salsa. A little bit of light sour cream. That's the cans of what I used. And the chicken, and it's gonna be so good. Normally I would add my jalapenos, but I thought I had some, so I didn't get any at the store. And turns out, I don't have any. Okay, false alarm. As I said that, I realized, well, if I didn't open them yet, they would be in the pantry, not the fridge. And hello, these are my favorite. They're so freaking good. And they're not overly spicy. Like, they're not super, super spicy. So give them a try if you can handle just a little bit of a kick, but not a kick of like a straight up raw jalapeno. I love these. All right, y'all, got some lettuce in there. Kind of just tore it up a little bit to be smaller. I'm gonna go in with some of my jasmine rice. Just do about like a third of the package. All right, y'all, that is my perfect bowl. I'm so excited to dig in. I'm going to mix it all up. It's gonna look ugly, but it's going to taste amazing. And I'm having a sparkling water just to jazz it up a bit. And that's dinner. Okay, y'all, it is the next day now, and I'm going to show you what I'm wearing really quickly, what I'm taking for lunch, and then we got to go to work, and this will probably be the end of the video today. So I'm just wearing these BB Lila earrings. I found some similar ones on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll try to link them. This sweater is from Amazon. I love it. It is full length, but I kind of have it scrunched. The high today is like 77 degrees, but look, I'm tired of dressing for summer. We're going full send with the sweater. And then I'm also wearing these, like, they kind of look like leather leggings. They're like a Spanx stoop. They're nice and high. I'm obsessed. They're so comfortable. And then my shoes are also from Amazon. So full fit by Amazon today, and I love it. I think this is going to be like my fall and winter uniform. So I'm excited to get some more sweaters like this and wear everything with these leggings. Okay, so I packed my lunch last night, and in here I put some of the chicken at the bottom, then topped it with some black beans and corn. I don't know why all the stuff back there is not sitting up straight. That's driving me crazy. Black beans and corn with chicken. Also packed some lettuce with the other half of my Roma tomato. Going to bring a salsa and a sour cream. These little things are from Amazon actually too, and I love them because they stay nice and tight and don't leak. And then also 2 low carb tortillas. So I'm gonna have tacos for lunch today. I'm gonna grab a carbonated water, fix this situation, and we're gonna hit the road.